How should railroaders prepare for possible tax hikes in 2026? Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and we're just going to walk down the tax planning road today. Right, we're looking ahead. We have big things coming up on the horizon, possible big things, I should say, but nothing's definite. So until the president signs it into law, nothing is definite. But the TCJA, the Trump tax cuts of 2017, are set to expire at the end of 2025. So we got to start thinking about what we want to do to prepare for these possible tax increases, because they're not definite. So the current rates right now, these are the marginal rates: 10%, 12, 22, 24, 32, 35, 37. That's a lot of. That's a progressive tax system right there, by the way. That's what they call it. The old rates pre the Trump tax cuts were 10, so no change there. But now look, here we go: 15, 25, 28, 33, 35, 39.6. So there is a big tax increase, especially here where this kind of hits most people right here, is that jump from 22 to 25 and 24 to 28. So we got to start to look at how can we prepare for that. And so the way I look at it is you have two bites of the apple left: the 2024 tax year and the 2025 tax year. So what am I talking about? What I'm talking about is you've been saving money in your tax deferred accounts. All right. And now we want to prepay those taxes and do a Roth conversion into them. So let me just give you an example of the savings that we're talking about here. So let's say you want to end up with a $100,000 conversion from your IRA. All right. So I've done a couple videos on how you can do it. You can just write a check to pay the taxes, which is very straightforward. If you had $100,000 and the and you're in the 22% bracket, you just write a check for $22,000. That's very straightforward. Okay. But now if the rate goes up to 25%, that check went from $22,000 to $25,000. So now you're paying an extra $3,000. Now, some people, if you don't have the cash on hand, you might take it from your IRA. Okay. And that's where it gets even more expensive. So from your IRA, the 22% bracket is $128,205 to get to that $100,000 number. Okay. Because remember, you still have to pay the 22% tax on the money that you're taking out. And then for the 25% bracket, it's $133,033. So at the end of the day, it's going to be a little over $5,000 increase there. And that's just on this 22% bracket. So that's very, very significant. So you want to start looking at saying, hey, does it make sense for me this year to do the 24 and 25 upcoming years to do those Roth conversions? Because as the saying goes, the IRA or 401k is an IOU to the IRS, because at the end of the day, they're going to get their money one way or another. So you might as well pay it on your terms. So you want to think about that. Now, for those, just as a little sidebar, for those under 59.5, you don't want to take it from your IRA, okay, because you're going to have a early retirement penalty on that. So you want to pay, if you're going to do this Roth conversion before 59.5, make sure you're paying it out of a taxable account, a bank account, something along those lines. All right. So feel free to reach out to me. This is the stuff I go through the boarding for railroad retirement process, especially those railroaders at or near retirement. In retirement, especially in retirement, you definitely want to go through something like this to understand all tax consequences. It's all about taxes. You got to get your help on the taxes. All right. Click on the notification bell to get the latest video. Subscribe to the channel. Really great growth. Hoping to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We'll see. Find me some railroaders. Get them up there. That'd be great. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.